Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be a 24 GT automatic on 93 octane running the stage 1 WHIPPLE supercharger. We're going to watch that dyno pull. We're going to take a look. I do want to show you the blower because we did have it paint to match. It looks awesome. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us, hit the date. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, check this out. Hey, we're located in Indiana. If you wonder what something like this costs to get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com, or we can ship them right to your door because we typically always have these in stock. But here you go. We have the supercharger paint to match. I love the way this came out. It's a stage 1 kit. You get the GT500 throttle body. It's a 3.875 pulley. It's coming in about 11 pounds of boost. You got, like I said, automatic, 93 octane. The car is basically bone stock. The only other thing we installed is an MRT resonator delete. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before you look at these numbers, a couple things. If you open that description, I will put a link to that kit so you can read a lot more about it. It is the warranty kit, the stage 1. So you can get the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty with that. Like I said, open that description up, click on it, you can read a lot more. But DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5 through the auto, 93 octane, 661 raw horsepower, peaking about 7,300 RPM torque, love it, 543, peaking about 4,900 RPM. Boost is peaking on this car 11.4 pounds. Pretty sweet. So if you have any questions, leave that comment. I'm happy to answer. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Like I said, you can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's something like that cost to get installed? We typically always have them in stock, or like I said, we can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.